Let's make a truth table. How about it is not true that if Q then not P? So I make the truth table for it is not true that if Q then not P. Again, I see two letters, a P and a Q. I always alphabetize them, so P first, Q second. Two choices for P times two choices for Q gives me 4 rows. Starting under Q, because it's on the right, I alternate true, false, true, false. Then going over to P, I double up to 2 in a row, true, true, false, false. If I knew the values for these things, the first thing I would definitely do would be the negation of P, because that would let me do if Q then not P. And finally, I could do the negation of the entire thing. Okay, let's get to it. First column we don't have filled in is the negation of P. We cover up P. I'm going to grab a negation table just in case you've forgotten that negation means just change it to the opposite thing. And here we go. First row P is true, not P is false. Second row P is true, not P is false. Third row P is false, not P is true. Fourth row P is false, not P is true. Great. Next column, I want if Q then not P. So I'm going to do a conditional table. And I'm going to do this first and this second. That's great. They're in the right order for me. So if I have as my first input, and I'm just going to number these so we can reference them. If I have my first value as a T, my second value is an F, I'm going to look at row 2 here because that has T first and F second, and that gives me an F. And the next row I have false, false. False, false is the bottom. That's row 4. And if false, then false is true. Then I have true, true. That's my first row. If true, then true gives me a true. On the bottom here, I have false, true. False first and true second is row 3. That's true. Okay, so referencing my conditional table, looking at this first and this second, got me that column. Now at the end here, I just have to negate this thing, right? I've got if Q then not P right here. I'm just going to change these again using negation to true, false, false, false. And here's our completed truth table for it is not true that if Q then not P.